Section 4. Exploring Chef Automate. In this video, we would learn how to set up data collector communication between Chef Automate server and Chef Infra server. Chef Infra server should automatically update the node data to Chef Automate server, and there would be several such Infra servers in our production environment which would be updating their node data to a single Automate server. A node can send the run data only when we do specific configuration, and for that we would have to set the data collector token on the Chef Automate and update our Infra server with Chef Automate server's URL. So let's see how exactly we do this. Any communication between the Automate server and the Infra server happens on HTTP, and it is authenticated by a pre-shared key called as token. And we will set this token in delivery.rb file, and we would apply the changes on the Automate server using reconfigure command. Once we have done this setting on the Automate server, we'll move to the Infra server, where we would set up the secret for the data collector, and we will go and update the chef server.rb file with Automate server's URL. We would apply these two changes on the Infra server by restarting few of the services and running the reconfigure command. So now let's go to our console and see how exactly we do this. We will go to the Automate server, and here we have delivery.rb file. We will append the data collector token content to this pre-populated file. This file was generated during the Automate server installation, and we have only added the generated token in this file. Let's save this file and run the automate.ctl reconfigure command so that the changes are applied on the Automate server. So with the reconfiguration command, the changes would get updated on the Automate server. Let's proceed to the Infra server now and make the changes here as well. So I would use the Infra server CLI setSecret command to set the data collector token. The same token which we have updated in our delivery.rb file on the Automate server is used here. Let's execute this command. We will see that it is asking us to restart two of the services over here. So we would do that, but before to that, we will update our chef server.rb file. So in this file, I have updated the data collector root URL as Chef Automate server's URL, and even I have updated the compliance scanning as Automate server's URL. Now I'll go ahead and restart both the services of Nginx and Opscode Chef. So I'll use the chef server ctl CLI command for that. And then I'll go ahead and run a reconfigure command on the Infra server. And by the time this command is actually executing, let's go to our workstation and make some changes to our cookbook. So here in the templates folder, we had this HTML file in which we had the display as Hello Packed. I would update it to reflect the new content as Hello Packed Publishing. And I'll quit the file and upload this cookbook to Chef Infra server. So knife cookbook upload Apache 2 would be the command, because I want to push the Apache 2's updated cookbook to the Infra server. It has uploaded the new version of it. So what we would do, we would connect to our Chef Node 1 server and execute the Chef client run. Before to that, let me show you that at this point in time, Automate server, there are no node details. And I'll pick up the IP address of Node 1 and I would SSH to that particular server. First, let me confirm whether the reconfigurations have finished on both Automate server and Infra server. No, it isn't, still in progress. So what we would do, we would wait for the reconfiguration to be finished. So now both the Chef Infra server and Automate servers are reconfigured. We have made the cookbook changes and pushed the changes to our Infra server. I'll move to the remote server and execute the Chef client run. So with this, what would happen? The latest changes will be pulled by the Chef Node 1, and as the data collection pipeline is set, the node details would be updated to the Automate server. Let me check the updated web page of Chef Node 1. Yes, it's updated. Let's move to the Automate server and see if the node details are updated. We can see the details of this node over here, and we have performed 4 such of actions over here. What all actions we have performed, that is also updated. The cookbook name is updated. So we saw that on the Infra server, we are seeing the node details, and in the same way, Automate server also has the node details now. So any changes you do on your node or in the cookbook, it would get updated in the Automate server automatically because we have set up the data collection token between them.